We planted some radish seeds in 2 pots.
We put one pot in the sun and we put the other pot in our cupboard.
We think the seeds in the cupboard will not grow.
We think the seeds in the cupboard will grow, but slower than the one in the sun.
What happened to our seeds?
The radish seeds in the sun grew green and healthy.
The seeds in the cupboard did grow.
The seedlings grew taller than the seedlings in the sun. The seedlings had yellow leaves and white stalks.
Why did the seedlings grow so tall?
I think that the seedlings grew tall because they were trying to find sunlight.
I think that people have been opening doors and bringing in sunlight. I think the seedlings were looking for the sunlight.
I think the seedling grew taller because they had no air.
I think the seedlings grew taller because we were watering them every day.
The dark made them tall. I think that the seedlings grew tall because they had no wind and no sunlight.
Why did the seedlings have yellow leaves and white stalks?
I think the seedlings grew yellow leaves and white stalks because they needed lots of sunlight. Seedlings grew yellow leaves and white stalks because they didn't have any sunlight. It's because they were trying to look like the sun. I think the seedlings turned yellow because they were sucking up the heat and they couldn't grow taller. I think that the cupboard was too warm. Seedlings grew yellow leaves and white stalks because the sun is yellow and heat is yellow.
For the heat.
I think the seedlings didn't grow because they didn't have any food or sunlight.
There was no sunlight, so the seedlings used the heat instead.
I think the seedlings grew yellow leaves and white stalks because they were too hot in the cupboard.